Alright, assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to Bitcoin update today. So if you're looking at Bitcoin here, there's this, let's continue and talk about what is happening with Bitcoin. Now, we've actually touched all the way down to 40,378, but I want to warn you straight off that Bitcoin is still not done, right? We're still looking for probably a move down to nearly $36,000 because it does look like Bitcoin has printed in a bear flag that really takes it all the way down there. So you're looking for this little bit of a flag that has been created right there, and all you're looking at is Bitcoin pushing down, making this bear flag, drop below, coming back, maybe push a little bit back higher to 42,639, get rejected from there, and drop down to $36,000. That's where your main target really relies. But I think Bitcoin may actually drop big time, big time. It may actually drop even to 30,000. I think 30,000 is pretty reasonable for Bitcoin to drop. So from nearly 50,000, you are talking about a 35% drop, right? Which is pretty. It's not normal, of course, but it's still something that happens in crypto, even if you are in an uptrend, right? Even if you're in an uptrend, Bitcoin has always in history, like back in 2018, Bitcoin really dumped 7 times. It retraced 7 times in a bull market with 25 to 30% move down, 7 times within a span of 1.5 years. So it happens. It normally happens. We may actually be in an uptrend, in a bull trend right now, but actually coming down like this also is normal. And I'm telling you this because I've seen it happening many times. And that's it for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.